We all reach those quiet moments, times when the world slows down and the rush of life gives way to a lingering stillness, a feeling of loneliness, or simply a pause in the pace of things. But this stillness isn't an ending. It's an opportunity, an invitation to look up, to reconnect, and to ask ourselves, what adventure starts today? The key to a fulfilling life is engagement. Keep your mind sharp. Dive into a new skill. Learn a new technology, or simply start charting out the great wisdom you've collected. Staying mentally active makes every day richer. And just as crucial as the mind is the power of movement. The energy of a walk in the fresh air, a moment to stretch, to breathe, and to smile. Movement is vital, and it's right outside your door. It doesn't have to be complicated. Every pedal, every step is a conscious decision, a step toward vitality, strength, and a more present, engaged life. This is the definition of aging well. Moments of quiet contemplation are still essential, but now they are filled with peace, purpose, and the satisfaction of a day well spent. This is your next chapter, filled not with absence, but with delight.